Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. This is an after the fact video, afterthought video, but I thought I'd show it to you anyway. I'm going to do some trimming on my palm fronds, my dead palm fronds, and this pole saw has always been a little bit loose on the attachment between the blade and the pole. Reason being, it's attached with two nuts and bolts. This one kind of okay. I mean, it's made to be detachable, obviously, so you can put a different blade on it. This one was always loose. It has angles, so you can angle the end of it. I like the middle, right the way it is. But the original nut and bolt, or screw and nut, was small for the hole. I mean, it was actually originally okay for the hole, but because of wear and tear, there was a groove that was worn into the screw. So the blade would move just a little bit. And so you're losing energy when the blade is moving, and it makes it just harder to cut. So I drilled it out with a 15/16 here, and I put a new nut and bolt through there, tightened it up, and now it's solid. So I'll show you what I'm going to cut. That one right there, that'll probably be enough for one day. I've got a ladder up there. I'm going to strap the top of the ladder to the palm and then reach up with the pole saw and do as much cutting as I can. I do have a safety belt that I'm going to use, and I'm not totally crazy. I do have some experience as a lineman with an electric utility company, so I'm you know, that was 40 years ago, but still, it doesn't really worry me to be at heights. So maybe I'll put this on a tripod and I'll show you what I'm doing. I wish I had a remote on this, but I don't, to turn it on and off, so maybe I'll just edit it. Anyway, first thing I'm going to do is go tie in the top of the ladder, and I learned when I was a lineman, use a bucket to bring your tools up and down. Don't try to carry them in your hands or your pockets. That's my neighbor wondering what was going on here. So yeah, now I've got the ladder tied in good and tight, and that gives me like double or triple the secure feeling of being up there. Those two little tips on the end of the ladder, the yellow, that'll, you know, that keeps it from sliding off the palm, theoretically. So yeah, now let me get some gear on and start sawing. Alright, so this is what I'm taking, this is what I'm doing for safety measures. Let's see, I have to see if that's in camera. This is a climbing safety belt, and then I'm going to hook into it, and around the ladder, around the tree, I haven't decided yet. I'm going to hook into it with this, once I figure out how it unlatches. Must be a good one. Okay, figured that out. There's a little release here, and then you pull back on that one. So that's going to go onto my D-rings, which are there and there. like that. Throw this around the tree or around the ladder. I'm not sure how I'm going to attach that. I'll figure it out when I get up there. And then the other one, on the other side, like so. Okay? All right, let's get some work done. See if I can do this without dropping the fronds on my head. Well, that's about all I can get from that angle. The ones, those pods with all those nuts or. Well, that's three down, and I don't know if that's one or two. We'll see. I think it's two to go, and I think I'll take that seed pod. Then I might even take that one, that green frond there that's getting yellow on the end. I might have to take that to get that seed pod. That other seed pod is sitting right on a nice frond that's not starting to yellow yet, so I might just leave that one alone and deal with the droppings. But I'll get that one, I think, that one that's right in the middle of your screen. Right now I'm gonna have some lunch. I'll be back. Okay, so we moved the ladder around, and let's see what I can do with the rest of this. One comment I wanted to make back on the first part of the video. When I was pulling at the fronds, mostly I'm not pulling to try and get them loose, although if they're really, really loose, see how that works. But I was pulling on some of them to see what kind of angle I could get on my saw, because a lot of being able to do this, do it at all, you need a good angle on the saw. You need to be able to cut against something that's resisting, not cut against something that's just swaying in the wind. So I just wanted to tell you guys and gals that. Here we go.